Lots of interesting revelations this week on the Intense 5. Let's go. What's up with all the diss tracks? And from the women in dancehall, Shensia versus Jada Kingdom. Ah boy.
You have a side?
Allow me. Allow me.
Coffee is in the November issue of Essence magazine. That is so cool. You go, girl.
Sprinter Elaine Thompson marries her best friend. Aw, that's sweet. Congrats, guys.
So cute. So Whitney Houston's best friend revealed that they had a physical relationship for years in a new tell-all book. She felt it was time to let the public know. Okay, girl, get 'em.
And finally holding the spot this week, Shaggy lit up the screen this week as Sebastian in the ABC musical version of The Little Mermaid.
Aww.
Dream about going up there.
But that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor.
Yeah, sure.
Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea.
Good job as usual, Shaggy. That's it for the Intense 5 this week.